you want to learn how to make a glitch and shake effect in Filmora, just like the one you're watching right now, then stay with me. I'll show you how. Hey, welcome to VC Creator Secret Tutorials. Before we get started, if you're new here, I encourage you to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you will be notified when I publish new tutorials every week. For more unique, awesome videos like this, check the links in the description below. So without further ado, let's get started. Hello, welcome to another tips and tricks video in Filmora on VCCS Tutorials channel. Alright guys, without further ado, let's dive right into it. This is what we're going to be creating in this tutorial. Let's first of all look at the original footage. This is our original footage. So you can import your media and let's get started. So let's go to title and drag them a text to the timeline. Double click on it and let's change it to something else. You can write whatever you want, but I'm gonna write glitch and shake. So you can change the fonts, probably even the color and the size. Then take a snapshot. And here is our snapshot. So let's delete it and drag then our snapshot to the timeline. You can expand it a little bit. And let's go to effects and look for chromatic aberration. Drag and drop it on your snapshot. And this is what we have. Go back to effects and click on shake, and these are different types of shakes. You can pick whichever one you want, drag and drop it on the image, and when we play it, this is what we have. So this is glitch and shake effects using text. So if you're not satisfied with it, you can undo it and drag and drop another shake on it until you get exactly what you want. So let's go to transition, click on ripple and dissolve, and let's drag down this pixel in and pixel out and add it to our image. Now let's expand it a little bit and let's preview it and see what we have. That's interesting, isn't it? So we can add audio or sound effect to it. So I have some here. If you don't, you can download them. And if you're interested in this, you can let me know. I'll add it to the link below. So drag and drop it, a glitch sound effects, and align it. And when we play it, we'll have something like this. So I'm going to add another one, drag and drop it there, then cut the part you don't want and delete it and align it. Make sure you test the sound. All right, when all is done, we're going to pre-render it and preview it. This is what we have. So the next thing we need to do is to export it. Let's export it, then you can import it. So you can write whatever you want, then you click export, and let's export it as a video. All right, when it's done, you click on close, then you have to locate where it is stored. Let's go and find it. Let's import it. Mine is in my video, so I'll import it. So you can import it from wherever it is saved. You can import it from wherever the video is saved. Now we can delete this one, we don't need them. Drag and drop our video. And let's play it, let's preview it and see what we have. Now this is what we have in form of video. We can insert any video objects under it. Now as you can see, the video on the lower track is blocking, or our text video is blocking the video on the track below. Watch what we're gonna do. Double click on it and go to compositing. Under normal, you click on the drop down and click on screen, and this is what we have. Now you can see it's transparent now. So that's how we can apply it to any video or put any background. It could be image or a video. All we need to do is to go to compositing. Under the drop down, we'll click on screen and we'll have a transparent text on any video or image. So we can apply this to our videos or images. All right, now let's go to the second part. Here we're gonna bring down one of our footage, one of our video to the timeline, and let's preview. Let me play it for you. So this is the video we're gonna be using. Let's play it and see. All right, that's the video. Let's go to effect and search for chromatic aberration. Drag and drop it on the image and we'll have something like this, the glitch effect. Now you can make some changes to this glitch effect. Double click on it and go on the video and you will find the settings there. So you can just play around with it until you get exactly what you want. Increase or decrease the alpha and also the fade in and fade out. When you're satisfied, you click OK. Now you can preview it and see what we have. Let's go back to effects. Drag then our second effects. Click on shake and you can find many of them here, so you can pick and choose. Just drag and drop it on the second track on the timeline, just above the first track, and this is what we have. Now we don't need to expand this. You can expand it if you want, but we can apply it to where our subject tone, and it looks as if it was shaking. Of course, we can add some sound effect to this, like the glitch sound effects. Have some, just drag it and align it. So I'm gonna apply some glitch sound effects to our video. You can do the same thing. Now let's preview it and see what we have so far. Alright, we're not done yet. We can bring down our text video right there and add it to it. Drag and drop it and add it toward the end of the video. Now, as you can see, it's blocking our video. You remember what we need to do? Of course, double click on it and go to compositing. Then click on the drop down. On the drop down, you click on screen. And here we have the text in its transparency. So let's pre-render it then and have our final preview. So guys, that's the simplest way of applying glitch and shake effect to our video or images. This is a cool effect that you can use in your video to transform it completely. So make sure you apply it in your next editing video. If you find it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, leave a comment below, and if you haven't subscribed yet, smash that subscribe button and don't forget to click on the notification bell for more awesome tricks and tips tutorial like this. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. This video and find it valuable, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends so I can keep making them. For more awesome and unique videos like this, hit the subscribe button and remember to click on the notification bell. Also be sure to check out my other videos on this channel as well. And don't forget to leave a comment below. I love it. Be sure to watch the videos on the screen that we handpicked for you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.